students, welcome to online class. In the last class, exercise 7.2, 1-2 sums completed. Now write down problem number 3. Exercise 7.2, problem number 3 is find the ratio in which the line segment joining the points minus 3, 10 and 6, minus 8 is divided by minus 1, 6. So, read the problem 2 or 3 times and try to know the meaning of the problem. Find the ratio. We need to find out the ratio which divides the line segment joining the points. First point minus 3, 10. Second point 6, minus 8 divided by minus 1, 6. So, we need to find out ratio. How many points are there in the problem? Totally 3 points are there. First point is minus 3, 10. Second point is 6, minus 8. Third one is dividing point. Dividing point. So, name the first point as A, second point as B, third point as P. A, B, P. Then what formula to apply? Very clear to you. We need to find out ratio. So apply ratio formula. Then see this solution. First point. Name the first point as A. Given first point A. Minus 3, 10. Let it be x1, y1. Second point B. B. 6, minus 8. x2, y2. Third point P. Dividing point. Third point. Name the third point as P. Minus 1, 6. Totally 3 points are there. First point A, second point B, that means we get a line segment AB. Third point P, then what we need to find out? Ratio, let it be M is to N, question mark. Ratio M is to N, question mark. Then what formula to write? I told you already, ratio formula. Then ratio formula write. For right ratio formula, the point which divides the line segment joining the line segment joining A x1 y1 and B x2 y2. You know the formula very well. The line segment joining A x1 y1 and B x2 y2 internally in the ratio M is to N is, so that is ratio formula. P equal to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. We need to find out m value, n value, finally m is to n. Then what is P you know? Minus 1, 6. M, what is x2? 6 plus n, what is x1? Minus 3 by m plus n. My2, what is m? M we don't know. What is y2? Minus 8 plus what is n? We don't know. What is y1? 10 by m plus n. Then minus 1 comma 6 equal to m into 6, 6m plus into minus, minus n into 3, 3n by m plus n. Then m into minus 8, minus 8m, n into 10, 10n by m plus n. Here see the board. This is one ordered pair. This is other ordered pair. Both are equal. Two ordered pairs are equal. Means first one equal. Second one equal. That is what step to write here? Equate corresponding elements. Equate corresponding elements means first element to equal or second element to equal. So do any one. No need to do second one. First one here minus 1. There first one first to equal or second to equal. No need to do both. Here 6m minus 3n by m plus n. I am equating first one. You can do second one also. Anyway, you are getting the same answer. Then what to do? Tell me. Cross multiplication. Do cross multiplication. What we get? 1 into 6m minus 3n. 6m minus 3n. Then minus 1 into m plus n. 6m minus 3n. Multiply with minus 1 but not 1. Minus 1 into m. Minus 1m. Minus into plus. Minus 1 into n. 1n. Okay na? Multiply with minus. Minus 1 into m. Minus 1m. Minus into plus. Minus 1n. M terms one side, n terms one side. From here, minus 3n is moving to right side. It becomes plus. From here, minus 1m is moving to left side. It becomes plus. So, see the direction. One term is moving to right. One term is moving to left. Means signs change. 6m. So this is moving, it becomes plus 1m. What is there? Minus 1n. This is moving, plus 3n. What we get? 7m. Subtract 2n. 7m equal to 2n. Then 7 is moving to right side. N is moving to left side. What we get? M by n. 2 by 7. Therefore, m is 2n equal to 2 is to 7 but not 7 is to 2. Okay na? So this is the formula to apply. P is known as dividing point. P value minus 1 comma 6. Substitute all the values. M into 6, 6m. Plus into minus, minus. N into 3, 3n. M into minus 8, minus 8m. 10 into n, 10n. M plus n. Two ordered pairs equal. Means first element to equal. Second element equal. You can do any one. Equate corresponding elements. So I am equating first one. Do cross multiplication. Then what we get? 1 into 6m minus 3n equal to minus 1 into m plus n. Multiply with minus 1. Minus 1 into m. Minus 1m. Minus into plus. Minus 1 into n. 1n. terms are moving, signs change. This is moving to left, this is moving to right. So add 7m, subtract 2n. 7 is moving to right, n is moving to left. M by n equal to 2 by 7 but not 7 by 2. M is to n equal to 2 is to 7. That is problem number 3. Now see problem number 4. What is problem number 4 in 7.2? Problem number 4. 7.2 problem number 4 is if 1, 2, 4, y, x, 6, and 3, 5 are the vertices of a parallelogram, are the vertices of a parallelogram taken in order, find x and y. So, what is given? 4 points are given. First point 1, 2. Second point 4, y. Third point x, 6. Fourth point 3, 5 are the vertices of a parallelogram. Find x and y. You know parallelogram diagram. You know the diagram of parallelogram very well. It is a parallelogram. First point A, second point B, third point C, fourth point D. Name the first point. 4 points are given. First point 1, 2. Second point 4, y. Third point x, 6. Fourth point 3, 5. It is a parallelogram. The diagram belongs to parallelogram. AC is a diagonal. BD is a diagonal. That is about parallelogram. 4 vertices are given. 4 points are given. And it is a parallelogram. We need to find out x and y by using properties of parallelogram. What is the important property in parallelogram? In parallelogram, diagonals bisect each other. In parallelogram, diagonals bisect each other. Use that property and find out x value and y value. Solution given. First point A, 1, 2. Second point B, 4, y. Third point C, x, 6. Fourth point D, 3, 5. It is a parallelogram. Next line, ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram. What we need to find out? X equal to question mark, y equal to question mark. X value how much? Y value how much? Then what to write? Write the properties of parallelogram. AC and BD are diagonals. What are the properties of parallelogram? Important property of parallelogram. In parallelogram, diagonals bisect each other. In parallelogram, diagonals bisect each other. In parallelogram, diagonals bisect each other. What is the meaning of that? What is the meaning of diagonals bisect each other? Midpoint of AC equal to midpoint of BD. It is already parallelogram. It is granted. Parallelogram diagonals bisect each other. Midpoint of AC equal to midpoint of BD. Then midpoint formula, right? Midpoint of AX1 Y1 and general formula BX2 Y2 is P equal to x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Then midpoint formula apply. Midpoint formula, right? Apply midpoint formula for AC and BD. Only diagonals AC and BD. First apply for AC. What is x1? 1 plus what is x2? x2 value x by 2. What is y1? 2 plus what is y2? 6 by 2. This is about AC. Now about BD. What is x1? 4 plus what is x2 by 2. What is y1? y plus 5 by 2. So midpoint of AC completed, midpoint of BD completed. Then 1 plus x by 2, 8 by 2. Don't do any cancellation here. Don't do cancellation between 8 and 2. 4 plus 3, 7 by 2, y plus 5 by 2. Again, how many ordered pairs here? 2 ordered pairs equal. 2 ordered pairs equal. First element to equal. Second element to equal. Equate corresponding elements. Equate corresponding elements. Let us equate first, comma, second. I am doing here. Let us equate them. So, first one 1 plus x by 2 equal to, what is the first element here? 7 by 2, comma, and here 8 by 2, or we can write any one first. Y plus 5 by 2 equal to 8 by 2. 1 plus x by 2 equal to 7 by 2. 5 plus 5 by 2 equal to 8 by 2. You can write any one first. Then do 2 cancellation. 1 plus x equal to 7. Y plus 5 equal to 8. Then x equal to 7. Plus 1 becomes minus 1. Y equal to 8 plus 5 becomes minus 5. X equal to 6, y equal to 3. So there ends the problem. So it is a parallelogram. Use the property in parallelogram. Diagonals bisect each other. Midpoint of AC equal to midpoint of BD. Let us substitute midpoint formula, right, and substitute the values. This is midpoint of AC. This is midpoint of BD. Equate corresponding elements. First element to equal. Second element to equal. Then do cancellation. Plus 1 is moving to right side, becomes minus 1. Plus 5 becomes minus 5. X equal to 6, y equal to 3. Okay na? And HW is 7.2. 3, 4 sums again, each one 2 times. In the next class, we continue the remaining sums. Thank you, students.